Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with
Pasta made using smith&jones pasta masala. Friends, will grab a kadhai to which we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil and lit the flame to high. Once it is warm, we'll be adding in fresh beans, carrots and onions which have been finely chopped along with a little touch of green peas. We'll stir fry these vegetables for around 5 minutes or until they are half cooked. We also need a little crunch to them, so we are not going to cook them completely. At the same time, while these vegetables are being stir fried on another pot on the gas flame, I've put water and added macaroni pasta along with a little salt. My macaroni pasta has been boiled. I'm gonna get that and add it over here now once I've passed it through a sieve and extracted all water out of it. So let's add the macaroni pasta, and now goes in the secret masala by Smith&Jones. Pasta masala. Friends, this I got it at a very nominal cost of ₹5 only. You can buy this from any retail local store. And once you sprinkle this pasta masala over this amazing macaroni pasta and mix it with the vegetables by tossing it, cooking at a medium flame. That is all you have to do. There is no special thing. And in no time, your amazing pasta is ready. Homemade, easy, and nominal price. So friends, in order to mix this well, I'm gonna add half a cup of water, around 75 milliliters, not much. So around 75 milliliter of water, add it, engulf it and cook it for around just 2 minutes. That's it. Keep the flame to medium and in no time, your pasta is ready to be served to your family members and friends. Enjoy it hot and warm. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a recipe cooked under 7 minutes total. 5 minutes for the vegetables and 2 minutes after adding the pasta masala. Thank you so much for watching. Smith&Jones masala used for making this amazing pasta. These recipes at your end as well, do enjoy them. Thank you so much.